I am going to do a tutorial on applying Waterslide. First thing I'm going to do is I am going to clean my bottle with rubbing alcohol because it has epoxy on it, riveted glitter, and I sanded it, and so now I want to make sure that my Waterslide does not lay on any residue. I already printed my Waterslide and sealed it 3 to 4 times, really good coats. And what I have started doing is when I print it, I print a small image along with it to be my test subject to see if I have enough coats on my Waterslide. That way I'm not wasting the big piece, and I know if the smaller one, my test subject, basically cracks or has a hard time to put on my thing, then I know that I need more coats. So now I've just put my Waterslide in some water, and at first it'll curl up, and as it is uncurling, you'll know that we're getting ready to apply it. Now, I also, on my surface that I'm applying it, I'm going to wet it. Show you that. Alright, so I'm getting some water on my fingers, and I'm going to rub it on my bottle. It'll just make it easier to slide the Waterslide. Alright. It's kind of hard with this long stick attached to it. Alright, getting the Waterslide out of the water. And it's nice and thick. Slide right off my backing. And now I just need to arrange it where I want it and get my wrinkles out. Uh-oh, that was too much pull. I think I'm actually going to cut some of this paper off. Alright, I cut my Waterslide back a little bit just so I would have an easier time with wrinkles and such. And there it is. Looks like it's not quite straight, so I'm going to do that. And